Welcome to HR Chronicle, the leading HR and payroll management software of GCC region. In this video, we will look into the working hours and overtime prescribed under the UAE Labor Law. Working hours in UAE. UAE Labor Law states that the maximum normal working hours in a day shall be 8 hours and 48 hours in a week. The worker may not work for more than 5 consecutive hours without a break. The Cabinet, based on the Ministry's recommendations, may increase or decrease the working hours for some economic sectors or some categories of workers. The implementing regulation also specifies the working hours during the time of Ramadan as per Federal Decree Law No. 33 of 2021. Frequently asked questions. The transportation period of the employee from the residence to the workplace be considered within work hours? No, the period spent by the worker to commute from his place of residence and to the workplace is not included. Shall the employer and the employee agree on more than 1 day off per week? Yes, according to mutual agreement. Overtime in UAE. The labor law states that the employee may be required to perform overtime beyond regular working hours, but not more than 2 hours per day. Employers cannot instruct to work for longer than that time frame. The working hours shall not exceed 144 hours. For every 3 weeks, the employee worked more than the normal working hours. The excess period shall be overtime. Employees are entitled to do overtime if their work conditions demand them to perform overtime between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. The overtime rate must not be less than 50% of the pay scale that would apply during regular business hours. If the worker is required to work on the weekend as per the terms of the employment contract or work regulation, he would receive payment for that day's wage or another day off as compensation. A worker shall not be instructed to work for more than 2 consecutive weekend days, except for day workers.